Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and today I am going to discuss about myasthenia disease. So it is generally known by the name myasthenia gravis. It is basically an autoimmune disease. Disease prevalence 1 in 10,000 population, and cause is the production of antibodies directed to nicotinic NM receptor present in the muscle end plate or the neuromuscular junction. So basically what happens, acetylcholine is the neurotransmitter which acts on the neuromuscular junction by binding to nicotinic NM receptors. So the number of receptors become less, it may be half or one third, and so the number of receptors available for binding to acetylcholine reduces. There is also an enzyme named acetylcholinesterase which hydrolyzes the enzyme acetylcholine. So basically the chances of getting the acetylcholine attracted to the nicotinic receptor or attached to the nicotinic receptor is very low in case of myasthenia gravis. Now characteristic of the disease, it is a type of muscular weakness characterized by easy fatigability and repeated activity, and recovery occurs after rest only. The muscles of the eyelid, external, ocular, facial and pharyngeal muscles get affected in the beginning. As the disease progresses, muscles of limbs and respiratory muscles also get affected. Now, the role of thymus gland in the disease occurrence. So it is thought that thymus may contain muscle cells which are basically modified muscle cells with the presence of nicotinic receptor on their surface. So this can be the source of antigen for the production of antibodies directed to the nicotinic receptor in myasthenic patients. So here we can see that this is the motor endplate from synaptic vesicles. There is release of acetylcholine. These are the antibodies, so these basically block the receptors by binding to them, and the available receptors to bind with acetylcholine become less. It may be half and maybe one third or more than that. It also causes the destruction of the neuromuscular junction, and this is the muscle cells. So this is a brief idea regarding myasthenia disease or myasthenia gravis, which is an autoimmune disease. And here I am ending today's discussion. See you in my next video, and if you guys like the videos, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.